I'm tired of people. At any time you try to say something, maybe you just say, okay, there's something that you just notice, or you just feel like, okay, let me pass this knowledge to other people for their understanding.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, JAIYE KUTI ti jáde, ó ti sọ̀rọ̀, ó ti give take rẹ̀ lórí ìjà LIZZY ANJORIN àti ìkejì rẹ̀ tí a mọ̀ sí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. Arábìnrin náà ó dá ẹjọ́ náà nínú fídíò yìí. Ó sọ wípé ó ní ọ̀rẹ́ òun ní àwọn méjèèjì, ó sì sọ pé àbúrò ni àwọn méjèèjì jẹ́. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ẹ jẹ́ ká tẹ̀síwájú nínú fídíò náà.
And most of the time that I talk in parables, and you don't even seem to understand. And then you start to tag this person and tag that person so that they will, okay, when they start to drag me, what joy do you get in it? The only thing you will do is that you smile in the corner of your room. That smiling in the corner of your room is not even the smile that people will see and smile with you, because you have done something bad to them and reap bountifully on the outside. Please, if any time that I say something, I am saying it for us to understand. It is parable. Don't know láti Mobalende lọ sí Yaba. He's only one boss. And this is the bullshit thing, because you are always waiting on social media for people dragging one another. And when you drag because you know why? There is nothing good you want to do with your own life. And it ti bàjẹ́, ayé ẹlòmíì ti bàjẹ́, ẹni tó ń wá kúnra ló máa wá. Who says I'm talking to worry, whoever, anything? You want to hear it? Ati Iyabo Ojo, Ati Lizzy Anjorin, àbúrò mi ni wọ́n gidi. Ẹ̀yin tí nǹkan òye ló pọ̀ jù láyé yín. Now, if you watch it, till Lizzy bá pè mí sí máa débẹ̀, èmi Jaiye bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Mo ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ kúrò ní Tanzania fàkàndé àdé ni. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, bí tèmi ṣe rí nìyẹn. Ẹ̀yin lẹ ń bá wọn jà, ẹ̀yin lẹ ń fi gbogbo ohun tí wọ́n ṣe lẹ fi ń ṣe entertain yín àbí. Continue, see. They are my blood. If you want to hear it, they are my fucking blood. A minimum of everybody. I am not talking to anybody. I am talking to you. You are a KBS. Stop speaking of God. If you come under my page, I will curse you. Bàbá yín tó fẹ́ wọ agbádá lọ kákòkò. Tó bá wọ́n bọ̀ pẹ̀lú agbádá yẹn, ẹ jẹ́ ká wo bó ṣe máa rí. Àti the crazy design. When people are trying to say something, you be trying to put there is somebody who is talking to them. Who is talking to who and who? Kilo come what the fuck is wrong with you people? Don't you have ears? Don't you have reasoning? Everybody to comment could send it to Yesha. Èèyàn tó ń bọ̀ Yaba tó kọ́kọ́ lọ sí gbogbo ayé láti Ọbalende ó dẹ̀ sì wá padà síbẹ̀. Ṣé ẹ mọ̀ pé ti ya wèrè? Má jẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀. Don't comment o. Ẹ má dàbẹ́ ọ̀dọ̀ mi bí báyọ̀. Tẹ́ bá fẹ́ wá gbádà lọ kákòkò.